My desk used to be so messy with pens everywhere. And then it struck me. Instead of throwing away my old connector pens, I gathered them up, clicked them back together, and voila, I've got a brand new pen pod.
Man, I love connector pens. I used to love them so much when I was younger, I wouldn't even want to throw them away when they dried out. Instead, I would find any way I could to drape them all over me. I'd strut around with connector pen crowns and bracelets and necklaces too. Looking back actually, I probably looked like a marker monster. But in my mind, I was a marker princess.